Damn. I was trying to get my bike out of this garage thingy, and I legit broke the fucking door and shit. Hey, good morning though. It's like 9 in the morning here in Laureles, Medellin. But let's go ahead and get something to drink, something to eat, you know, some breakfast. Is it American of me that I'm craving like oatmeal and waffles and shit like that? I don't know where to find that though. But let's go ahead and hit up this little vendor right here, see what's up. Hola, buenos días. ¿A cuánto sale esta?
A 6,000.
6,000. ¿Porra esta? Gracias. ¿No se le echa nada?
Si quieren leche condensada, es lo único que...
Sí. Nunca lo he tratado así, pero... Acá en Colombia casi no comen así como chile con la fruta, ¿ah?
¿Así está bien?
Así está bien, gracias. Pretty gas. I never tried fruit with lechera. Lechera is kind of like a sweet, thick milk substance. I mean, I'm Hispanic, so usually we put lemon and chili in the shit. Shit good. I feel kind of bad though, because I tried to open the garage to my hotel and that whole shit fell down. Now my boy's stressing right there. The fuck, is this a one-way? Dude, I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. Didn't get off his bike or what? ¿Se va por el lado? Oh, se va a cruzar eso.
¿Ah?
¿Se va a cruzar?
Sí.
¿Yo también puedo hacer eso?
No.
Damn. I fucking love the street vendors out here. They're all over, it's cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna use my signals. Nobody uses them. I thought I was like breaking the law and shit. fucking beautiful. So fucking beautiful. I don't know if they've been honking at me or someone else or another car. Crazy how the streets aren't even that fucked up over here. I guess cause like they don't have any like cold weather, so like they don't have the freezing water messing up the streets when it does get cold. That's what I assume. I need a cigarette. Wow, this is scary. These guys do it like nothing. The first Uber that brought me here, I'm sorry, no, the first Uber that picked me up from the airport to take me to my hotel, he was telling me that this area is gonna be like a lot of lawyers, government officials, cartels, rich people, famous people. So they all live right here. I guess you could say it's like one of the higher end areas, I guess. Don't quote me on that. We're just climbing right now. We're just climbing. Trying to go as high as possible and smoke a lovely cigarette. Buenos días. Disculpe, ¿esta área cómo se llama?
Se llama el tesoro de ahí.
Oh, ¿y hay algo de comer allá?
Tienda.
¿Hay nomás tiendas?
Sí.
¿No hay un restaurante bueno?
Como para desayunar y eso así.
¿Algo así? No.
Solamente tienda, mercado.
Ok, gracias. Disculpe, ¿esta área cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama esta área?
No conozco.
Oh, no, también, ¿eres turista? No sé dónde ando.
¿Para dónde vas? De pronto te ubico un poquito.
¿De dónde voy?
¿Para dónde vas?
Nomás estoy tratando de hallar como un restaurante.
Por acá solo vas a encontrar unidades.
¿Sí?
Tienes que bajar mucho.
¿Sí?
Por acá cerca está un centro comercial que se llama El Tesoro. De pronto ahí en el centro comercial. Pues,
El Tesoro. Ah, ok. ¿Y es más para arriba?
sigues acá por esta cosa y lo encuentras.
Ah, ok. Bueno, pues, muy amable.
Bueno,
Gracias.
con gusto.
I don't know where I'm going, but this is fucking beautiful. What's up, guys? So we passed Belen over there, climbed all the way up through here, and we're still heading up there. These houses are like the nicest houses I've ever seen. I don't think you could put your house in a better place than this. Like, look at that. Like that one over there. That one over there. This one right here. They have a better view of all of Medellin. So according to this shit, right there. And it says faltan 4 kilometros. So we still got 4 kilometers left to the top part. So let's go ahead and head out. So not only is it a beautiful view, but there's beautiful prices. So like a parrillada is like 10 bucks ish, 12 ish, which is crazy. But let's see what we're gonna get. ¿Y qué le pongo?
Pues no se le puede echar salsa. Muchas veces se le echa salsa.
¿Esto qué es?
Salsa rosada.
¿Como gravy? ¿Como gravy? Es que acá no tienen gravy. Ah, ok, gracias. We got the arepa. Kind of looks like a taco. Like a thick taco. You already know everything's thick out here. Looks good though. It's like carne de res. But shit, let's go ahead and try this shit. Good. Need some salt though. Cheers, mates. Okay, my favorite beer now. I love it. I wish they sold it in the United States. Damn, I've been lost and I finally found this fucking street. Hacienda 33.
Perfección, por mi parte
Ey,
orgulloso,
ey.
ninguna discriminación, aquí no hay raza ni religión, bailalo por...
My fucking camera keeps dying. I thought I was recording, but no. back it up real quick. Oh. We'll be right back.